Happy Saturday, folks. Today we're working on our garden beds. Gonna be preparing everything for the new growing season that's coming. I have not been maintaining out here at all. So we kept our trash so we can build up. One of our happy, disgruntled teenage workers. Hey, son. So here are the beds. They're almost finished. I'm not quite done. So they're basically in the bottom is brown trash from like the fall, leaves and sticks and stuff like that. I also have some compost from the house. So underneath this has been sitting here for months with kitchen clippings and stuff like that. Kitchen trash from fruits and vegetables are out here. And then I'll just finish it up with a mix. I have another soil in here. It's a sustainable composite soil plus this soil and the blood meal. Here's my brown trash. That's what's left. So we had like collected leaves and things, and that's what's on the bottom of the beds, brown trash. And then I'm gonna finish topping them off with soil. And yeah, we had this rainwater issue because that yard and that yard are very high and their water comes down like a waterfall. It's insane. So what hubby did was put in this gravel walkway. We're not finished with that. We had to put plants there. Raised bed goes here. This is brand new sod from another project in the front of the house. So got some sod here. Put in pine, what's the name of this plant? Pampas grass. That's pampas grass because it's very luxurious and it's going to be fabulous. So we got pampas grass in the corner and some more grass, and then we're going to fill that in with some whatever. We're trying to like make it look nice.
Drank one of them little tiny apple juices I have.
So all the okra has been moved into these bags, and then I'll be able to separate them as they get bigger. They might be staying in these bags. I'm not 100% sure, but for now, this is where they're gonna be. So this is where the okra ended up. For now, I didn't know where else to put them because the way that this yard is, I don't have a big land. I just have space. So that's where the okra is. I have 12. See, there's one there, one there. These here, those two here, and I left 2 in that box. So this is my backyard.